Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a Christmas decoration video, as I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video. But what I've finally understood is why people in New England, specifically Massachusetts, decorate for Christmas so early. It's because it gets so cold here so fast that you have to put the decorations up before it's so cold. Anyways, the reason that I'm a little bit late is because we got 2 feet of snow dumped on us, so I had to wait for it to melt a little bit and for it to get slightly warmer for me to be able to tolerate being outside. Anyways, I just got home from the Christmas tree store, so I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I got there. I just got a few things, and some of the decorations that I've already had and that I've picked up some last year. I'm going to show you them all, and then we're going to decorate the house together. So let's get started. I wanted to show you guys too what I woke up to this morning. Now that I've accepted that it's winter time, I love when it settles on the trees like this, and it just looks like winter wonderland. It's so pretty, don't you guys think?
Working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Okay, so I changed into my Christmas pajamas because you can't decorate for Christmas not in Christmas pajamas. So this is the fall background that I've had set up for the October fall season. So we're gonna take that down and decorate that and decorate this mantle for Christmas, which I'm super excited for. So yeah, I'm just gonna start with the mantle. Here's my big pile of stuff. This is a lot of the Christmas stuff. Here's some more Christmas stuff and the lights that I brought up from last year. So this is a little trick I used last year. So I cut out a piece of square cardboard and then cut a notch here and then wrapped the lights around. And then I labeled where it goes so that I know again for next year. Same thing with this one. I just cut the notches out and wrote that if they were working or not, obviously, or if they're partially working or, you know, whatever, so that you know for the next season. So here's our little dog too. I don't remember if you guys remember that video from last year. But yeah, so I'm gonna get all of the stuff out for the mantle and set that up.
I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this...
Okay, I finished the mantle. I had to rearrange them a little bit because I pulled all of the stockings out. I didn't see this one, so I had to put this one back in. So I put all the family members' stockings up. So Emily and my boyfriend, and of course Riley has a stocking. But I got these little bells, I'm pretty sure last year at the dollar store, which is awesome. And then I got all of these picks for about 50 cents too. And then I put this garland on, and I got one that already has lights on it because it's way easier to put up. But I think it looks so cute. Don't mind all these wires again. Still haven't managed all that, but that is the final result.
This year, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
okay, so here is the tree that I put up last night. I'm only talking about it now because it was a little bit loud last night, and the footage comes out better at night. Anyways, I really love how it came out. I really love how it came out. I love the, we did gold and silver accents, and then my grandmother actually gave me these little clip-on things. They were like 97 cents. Anyways, I think they just add a little pop on the tree, and we have our first ornament there. So cute. But I think it came out really good. Anyways, I'll show you all of those clips now just because the lighting was better at night.
so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, 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 la
Okay, I'm putting away all of my fall decorations into this bin. If you watched my day in a life video, I bought these for storage at Walmart, which are awesome because they're see-through. So I'm just gonna put all of the fall decorations in here.
Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Okay, so I just wanted to lay out all of the things that I have had in the past or that I've previously bought before and show you kind of how much they were. Okay, so this I've had before, and these two are from Walmart. Again, okay, so you can see the prices here, $12.97 and $15. This one is actually a really good size. It's not gigantic, but it's not too small that you can't see it from the road. This one I was going to use on the mantle, but I think I'm going to use it in this mini living room instead, just because I have two apparently. This I've had before. I can't remember where it's from. I think the dollar store maybe. And then these three are all from the dollar store. So I have a candy cane, a snowman, and a little wreath. I'll show you guys where I put all of those in a minute. But this I got from Job Lots. You guys I'll show you that clip in a little bit. I found some more things at Job Lots. This was $12, which is I think pretty good. Okay, then I found this happy holiday sign, which I thought was super cute because I kind of also want to have a winter theme and a holiday theme so that in January when the holiday season is over, I still can have some decorations left. So this, oh geez, how much was this? I'm pretty sure this was $5. On the receipt it says $5, but I thought this was really cute. You guys just saw me take down the pumpkin one I saw this and I was like, okay, I have to get this. This is a little ornament welcome sign that I thought it was super cute. $3.99. Oh yeah, love that. I got this. There was another one that matched it, but I love that this is so soft. It's a different texture than usual. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This was $5. And then this is the set that I used from Walmart that I already put on the tree, but these were $9.48, shatterproof, so it's super good because we have a dog and she runs around. But those are just the leftover balls I didn't use on the tree. And then I thought this was really cute just to print out some cute Christmas photos and hang them in here for the season. This was $6, but it's just so adorable with the little dogs. These giant bells is where I'm going to put over the kitchen in that blank spot that I've mentioned before. This was $4, so really good finds there. So I'm just going to put all of this stuff up now. This is kind of terrible lighting, but I put the bells right above the kitchen and I love it. It looks so cute. I might try to record it again at night because it kind of makes it look dark, but I love it. And then I put this joy sign on the door. It's kind of like giving me anxiety because it's crooked, but I'll fix it later. I think it looks super cute. And then I'll show you, I just put up all of these lights that look so cute. So I put up our sticky happy holidays thing. I used these last year, so they're kind of like demented a little bit. But I put up our string lights so that you can see it from the outside. I really like decorations that you can see from the outside too. So it's like 2-in-1 decor. So I just have it here, and then I have everything on a timer, the tree and these lights on a timer, so that I don't have to remember to turn it on and off because I am all about that. I will never remember to do that. So I have this all set up, which looks really cool. So I'll show you guys that again at night. To fit the Christmas tree, we have to move the side tables, so we're kind of moving them around right now. Anyways, so this is one of the signs that I got. So I'm going to put that on this little end table here. Super cute. Guys, I forgot, you'll never even believe where I got this from. It came from Stop and Shop, which is a grocery store. I stopped to get some groceries one night and all their stuff was on sale. That's why I couldn't remember how much it was. Anyways, that's where that came from. So I'm gonna put this on this other end table, wherever this end table ends up. Okay, I'll show you what I did in the mini living room, but I think I'm gonna leave these for now until like January when it snows so that I can have a few decorations to exchange. And also another thing what I do is I label all the bags of where everything goes, just so when I'm putting it away, I know exactly how to put it away and I'm not scrambling on how to organize it. It's just keeping myself one step ahead. So I basically have decorated the whole main living room area. So now I'm gonna move on to the mini living room and put some little decorations in there too. Here's our fall decor right now. So I wanna take that out and put some of the little signs up and everything. Now I have so many signs, I don't know which ones to put where. So I'm gonna try and figure that out next. Finished adding the garland in. It actually perfectly weaves in and out. And then I put these string lights all the way around, which I like because they can be all like stay up all year round. But then I put this garland around the room too, which adds a little festivity. And then I put this Merry Christmas sign above our mini couch, and I really like it there because that was kind of a blank spot. And then I have these little pictures I'm gonna put on this coffee table whenever I get around to doing that. I put this candy cane here on the wall that goes into the main part of the house. And I put this little wreath on the front, well, side door, but our front door thing, which is super cute because I was gonna put the Merry Christmas sign, but I didn't want the glitter falling everywhere as we went in and out of the house. But I think that one looks good too because you can see the whole thing, the Merry Christmas. You wouldn't necessarily see the whole word from the outside.
Guys, we came to Big Lots really quick. Not even actually get anything, but they have way more Christmas decorations than I thought they would. Holy moly, the aisles just keep going forever. I found this cute sign though. I like it. 20% off. Okay guys, I was looking around in here and look what I found. Bo-bam! How cute is it? It's a little flamingo. If you don't know, this is my favorite animal, but it has a little Santa hat. It's so cute. I wasn't even planning on like recording in here, but we just stopped. The aisle's literally going forever.
Okay, so I finished putting the white lights on this tree, and then I have to do this tree, but I don't know where these lights are, so I'm gonna look for those. In the meantime, we have to take that sign down, but in the meantime we're gonna decorate over here because I finally found the timer that I use for right here. Okay, so last year we bought a real wreath, but this year, so I have to buy another one of those, but I'm just taking down the fall one for now. Okay, we have our little doggy all set up. He looks so cute. See, he's such a good size, guys. You can see the lights in the window here. Really good, and then the Happy Holidays sign, so I like it. Okay, we got our colored lights on. It kind of looks crazy, but it'll look a lot better at night when you can't see the actual little lines. So that's cute. I love it. I love Christmas time. Guys, I finally found the lights that go on this tree. Okay, I got both trees on. Our trees got a little hurt with all of the like 2 feet of snow that got dumped on them. So I'm like holding the trees together with the lights. Anyways, I think it came out good. Now I just have to push this back and it'll be complete. Okay, here's a better look at the Christmas tree now that it's gotten a little bit darker out. I love, love, love how it came out. Oh shoot, I forgot to get a star today at the store. I actually got one, so it's right here. Okay, never mind. I finally found a star, so we just put it on top. I got it silver so that it matches the gold-silver theme we have going on. The house is now full of glitter, so that makes it a very successful Christmas decorating video. Everything looks so good. You can see the lights in there too. I hope that some of these decorations have inspired you guys too. I love doing these decoration videos for you guys, and I love decorating for the holidays anyways. Also, make sure you guys stay tuned to find out where I'm going for Christmas. This will be the first time not being at home for Christmas. I am leaving the country and the continent, so stay tuned and subscribe to find out where I am going next for Christmas. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye!